Hey, do you have gypsum access panel? I want to open a manhole on my ceiling. Yes, we have so many different gypsum access panels. You have visited our store before. Yes, but this time I need a pure gypsum access panel without any aluminum frames. You've got a good taste and find the right person. I'm the man who creates miracles. Take this GRG access panel. It's made of GlassFiber Reinforced Gypsum, much stronger than normal gypsum, and with the round corner door. Okay, many shops have this type, but I need the inner size 60 by 60. Nobody have it. Can you make it? Yes, no problem. A regular size as below. And welcome to customize your size, because we are a real factory. Nice. Gyptek is really access panel expert.